Hey, in this short tutorial I'll show you how to create an affiliate website with WordPress for free. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards affiliates for each customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. If you register as an affiliate, you can create a website to promote some products or services, receiving a commission on each sale made via your unique affiliate link. Moreover, if you choose a niche correctly and put some effort into your website promotion, making money from affiliate partnerships can go from side hustle to profitable online business. In this tutorial, I'm gonna use WordPress, the most popular website building platform, and HivePress, a free plugin for building any type of directory and listing websites. I'll also use the ListingHive theme since it's a free, multi-purpose theme fully compatible with the HivePress plugin. You can follow the link in the description to learn more about HivePress and its themes, check its live demo, or ask developers any pre-purchase questions. Okay, let's start with the theme installation and navigate to the WordPress dashboard first. Since ListingHive is a free theme, you can install it directly from the WordPress repository by going to the Appearance Themes page and then clicking Add New. Next, find it via the search bar and proceed by installing it. Finally, click on the Activate button. Once activated, it will display a suggestion to install the HivePress plugin. Proceed by clicking the recommended plugins link and then start the installation. Now, simply click the return link and proceed by activating HivePress. Now, let's add some extra features to our affiliate website to extend its core functionality. Navigate to the HivePress extensions section. This is a list of the available HivePress extensions that you can purchase or install for free. For example, for your affiliate website, you can install these extensions. Favorites, if you want to allow users to bookmark products on your website and get back to them later. Or you can install messages to allow users to communicate with each other. Also, you may consider enabling search alerts. It's a handy feature that allows users to set search alerts. For example, if they are looking for some specific products and there are no options yet, they can set a search alert to get notified when these products become available. To install an extension, simply click on the Install button and activate the extension once it's installed. Then, follow the same steps for other extensions you want to install. In this video, I'll skip the installation of other extensions since it's the same. The next step is to split your affiliate website into categories, so it's easier for users to navigate it. For example, let's imagine that you want to build a niche website for camping gear. So, we'll add the tents, trekking poles, and backpacks categories. You can create listing categories in the Categories section. When adding a new listing category, you can name it, add a description, and upload a category image if necessary. Additionally, you can split any category into subcategory by selecting a parent category. When finished, click on the Add Category button. Keep in mind that there are no limits, so you can create as many listing categories as required for your website niche. Once you are done with listing categories, it's time to add some listing fields specific to affiliate websites. For example, let's create a button that will redirect your website visitors to an affiliate partner website. To add a new custom field, navigate to the Listings Attributes Add New section. Here, you can set the field name, allow its front-end editing if necessary, and select the attribute type. We'll select the URL type for this one. In this section, you can allow users to search, sort, and filter listings by the custom field value. However, for our sample field it doesn't make much sense, so I'll skip this section. Finally, define how the attribute will appear on the listing pages by assigning it to certain template areas and setting its display format. We'll use this display format in order to display our new custom field value as a button. Once you adjust all the display settings, click on the Publish button. That's it! We have just added the first custom listing field. But now, let's add one more field that will display the product price. To do that, click on the Add New button, name the custom field, and set the field type. In this case, we'll use the number field type. Now, you can mark this attribute as filterable, sortable, and set the search field type to allow website visitors to filter and sort products and services by price. Here, it's better to use the number range field type to allow filtering listings by a price range instead of some specific value. Then, set the attribute display format. We'll change it a bit and add the currency symbol. Finally, click on the Publish button. That's it! In the same way, you can add more custom fields and search filters, depending on your affiliate website niche and requirements. Alright, now let's try to add the first product listing. The ListingHive theme allows you to add new listings both via the backend and front end. If you don't want to allow users to submit listings via the front end, please don't forget to disable this feature in the HivePress Settings Listings section. In the case at hand, I'll show you how to add a new listing via the backend. To do that, navigate to the Listings Add New section. Here, you can add a title, and here you can add a description. Here, you can mark this product as featured to highlight and display it at the top of the search results. And here, you can upload images for your product. Finally, here are the custom fields that we added previously: price and purchase link. Let's set a price and add the affiliate link in the purchase link field. Also, before publishing this listing, don't forget to select the listing category. In the case at hand, we'll select the 10th one. Okay, now let's check how our newly added listing looks on the front end. Let's navigate to the home page and select the 10th category. As you can see, here is our recently added tent with a price and a Buy Now button that redirects buyers to the affiliate partner website. Also, here you can see the price filter we added previously that allows users to filter listings by the price range. Finally, let's check the listing and try clicking on the Buy Now button to see whether it redirects us to the affiliate partner website. As you can see, we are successfully redirected. That's how it works. We have just created a really simple affiliate website with default settings, and it took us only a few minutes. However, if you play around a bit, you can easily tailor it to your niche and customize it in the way you like. So, if you decide to create an affiliate website with WordPress, keep in mind that you can easily build it with the ListingHive theme and the HivePress plugin. They are both free, lightweight, and suitable for building any type of directory and listing websites. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can follow the link in the description to learn more about HivePress, its themes and extensions. Have a great day!